Yeah,
Good
okay.
morning.
Go. Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Maria. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Where are you from?
I'm from Ica, Peru. And you?
Me too. I am Peruvian. Are you 20 years old?
No, I am not. I am 19-year-old. And you?
I am 21 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am. And you?
I am studying too in my first years of industrial engineering.
Is this your cell phone?
Yes, it is. My cell phone is black. Wait, my class will start.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Oh, I see. Nice to meet you, Maria.
Nice to meet you. We are both Peruvian.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you later.